The Undefeated X Nike Air Max 95 continues to rank among the most talked about collaborations in sneaker culture, thanks to its premium materials, bold storytelling, and limited edition appeal. Known for its wavy layers inspired by human anatomy, the iconic Air Max 95 silhouette gets completely elevated through Undefeated's creative touch, highlighted by striped overlays, reflective hits, and the signature 5-stripe branding blended with Nike's legendary Swoosh. Since its first drop in 2019, this partnership has captured massive attention for redefining how streetwear brands and sportswear giants can innovate together. Collectors and sneaker enthusiasts praise the collaboration for its exclusive colorways, ranging from clean gradients to eye-catching patent leather finishes, making each release feel highly collectible. With demand consistently rising, the Undefeated X Nike Air Max 95 proves that strong design synergy can transform an already iconic model into a modern hype essential.